Dear students, today we will solve a few questions of my practice time 5 of chapter 2. That is, Soumya earns rupees 34,890 every month and her brother earns rupees 14,588 more than her. Find the total amount of money earned by both of them in a year and also how much more Soumya's brother earns compared to her in a year. Okay, so dear students, what is given in this question? The Soumya's income, monthly income is given here, and asking that to compare that what is her annual income at and what is the annual income of her brother and how much how much her brother earns more. Dear students, here it is given that the money earned by Soumya in a month, that is rupees the 34,890. So we have to find out the yearly income of Soumya. So money earned by Soumya in a year. So we will multiply 34,890 by 12, right? So here we will multiply 0 into 2 is equal to 0. Now we have 9 into 2 is equal to 18. So we will write 8 and 1 carry over in next column. Now 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 1 carry 17. So we will write 7 here and 1 carry over in next column. Now 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 1 9. So we will write here 9. Now 2 3s are 6. So we will write here 6. Now we will multiply 34,890 by 1. So the answer will be the number itself. Now we will add here. So 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. Then 8 plus 0 is equal to 8. Now 7 plus 9 is equal to 16. So we will write 6 here and carry 1 over next column. Now we have 1 plus 9 plus 8 is equal to 18. So we will write 8 at there and 1 carry over in next column. Now we have 1 plus 6 plus 4 is equal to 11. So we will write 1 here and 1 carry over in next column. Now we have 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. So now we have 4,18,680. That is the annual income of Soumya's Here 1 year is equal to 12 months. That's why we have taken here 12. Now we need to find out the money earned by Soumya's brother in 1 month. That will be 34,890 plus 14,588. Dear students, do you know why we are adding these two numbers? Because it is given in the question that the monthly income of Soumya's brother is 14,588 rupees more than the monthly income of Soumya's. So let's add this numbers. So 0 plus 8 is equal to 8. Then 9 plus 8 is equal to 17. So we will write 7 here and 1 carry over in next column. Now 1 plus 8 plus 5 is equal to 4 and 1 carry over in next column. So 4 here we have 1 plus 4 plus 4 is equal to 9. Now 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. Now here money earned by Soumya's brother in 1 year. So again we will multiply 49,478 by 12, as 49,478 is the monthly income of Soumya's brother. Now here we will multiply. So 8 2s are 16. So we will write 6 and 1 carry over in next column. Now 7 2s are 14 and 1 plus 15, so we will write 5 and 1 carry over in next column. Now 2 4s are 8 and 1 plus 9. Now we have 2 9s are 18, so we will write 8 and 1 carry over in next column. Then 2 4s are 8 plus 1 9. Now we will multiply 49,478 by 1, that is 49,478, only the number itself. Now we will add this number. So here we have 6 plus 0 is equal to 6. Now 5 plus 8 is equal to 13. So we will write 3 carry over 1 in next column. Now 9 plus 1 plus 7 is equal to 17. So we will write 7 and 1 carry over in next column. Now 1 plus 8 plus 4 is equal to 13. So we will write 3 and 1 carry over in next column. Now we will add 1 plus 9 plus 9 is equal to 19. So we will write 9, 1 carry over in next column. Then we have 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. So money earned by Soumya's brother in 1 year, that is 5,93,736. Now we'll have to find out the total amount of money earned by both of them in a year. So here we have Soumya earned 4,18,680 and her brother earned 5,93,736. Now we will add this both two. So 0 plus 6 is equal to 6 only. Then 8 plus 3 is equal to 11. So we will write 1 here and 1 carry over in next column. Now we have 1 plus 6 plus 7 is equal to 14. So we will write 14. So we will write 4 and 1 carry over in next column. Here 1 plus 8 plus 3 is equal to 12. So we will write 2 here and 1 carry over in next column. Now here 1 plus 1 plus 9 is equal to 11. So we will write 1 here and 1 carry over in next column. Now we have 1 plus 4 plus 5 is equal to 10. Now we have to find out the money earned by the Soumya's brother as compared to Soumya. For that we need to subtract. Okay, so we will subtract the Soumya's brother earned, how much Soumya's brother earned annually, okay, and how much Soumya earned annually. So we will subtract these numbers. So here we can see that 6 minus 0 is equal to 6, and here we cannot subtract 8 from 3, so we need to take borrow. So after taking borrow is equal to 5. So we will write 5 here. Then after taking borrow, we have 6 left in next column. So here we have 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. Now we cannot subtract 8 from 3. So again we need to take borrow. So after taking borrow we have 13. 13 minus 8 will be 5. So we will write 5. After taking borrow, the next column will be 8. So now here 8 minus 1 will be 7 and 5 minus 4 will be 1. So the answer is rupees 1,75,056. Okay. So here the Soumya's brother earned 1,75,056 rupees more than the Soumya. Now the next question. Rajveer has 2 baskets containing 12,652 fruits. How many fruits will each basket contain? Assuming that 2 baskets contain equal number of fruits. Dear students, you know well that what is asking in this question. Yes, exactly. We'll have to distribute these fruits among 2 baskets. So, number of baskets given here, that is 2, and number of fruits contained in baskets, that is 12,652. So now we'll have to find out the number of fruits contained in each basket. So for this we'll have to divide. Now let's divide here. 12,652 divided by 2 here. So 2 6 are 12. 12 minus 12 is equal to 0. Now we will bring down 6 beside 0. So here 6. 2 3s are 6. Now 6 minus 6 will be 0. Now we will bring down 5 besides 0. Then 2. 2s are 4. So we will write here. Now 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. Now we will bring down 2 besides 1. It will be 12 now. So 2 6 are 12. So 12 minus 12 will be 0. So we can see that here the answer is 6,326. So each basket contains 6,326 fruit. Dear students, home task is here. So you will have to solve my practice time 5, question number 1, 3, 5, 8, 11 and 15 in your math notebook. Thank you.